And just like that, we come roaring into week 7. 2 weeks ago, Anne had to take a short-term medication, and we noticed both last week and this week she was slightly drier than she was prior to the medication. We're continuing with the repair with today's epidermal growth factor infusion using Ultrafusion. This serum targets multiple layers of the skin through a potent blend of bioengineered peptides, brightening agents, antioxidants, and hydrators that will work together synergistically to continue the epidermal and dermal repair. This serum works to fortify the skin's barrier while stimulating cellular regeneration, enhances collagen and elastin synthesis, brightens hyperpigmentation and evens out tone caused by UV, and provides an intense hydration. The combination of the sodium hyaluronate and polyglutamic acid will help us address her hydration needs. By combining this with the polyglutamic acid, it actually helps to lock and retain hydration longer than if we were just using the sodium hyaluronate. We then bring in 2 potent antioxidants, ethyl ascorbic acid and edelweiss stem cells. These 2 antioxidants will protect collagen from oxidative degradation, improve elasticity by fortifying the extracellular matrix proteins, and stimulate the collagen synthesis for firmness. All of this collagen needs to be supported with a proper density and energy level of fibroblasts. That's where our epidermal growth factor and adenosine come in. The epidermal growth factor will stimulate fibroblast activity to rebuild collagen and elastin while also improving texture, while the adenosine promotes dermal fibroblast energy. I think of it as a cellular energy booster. Our brightening goals are addressed by niacinamide, ethyl ascorbic acid, and licorice root. The microcirculation from the niacinamide will further be enhanced by the addition of 20 minutes of near-infrared after our infusion is complete.